Hapa jijini Nairobi ambapo waziri wa mazingira Keriako Tobiko anaongoza maadhimisho ya siku ya kukabiliana na ukame pamoja na ueneaji wa majanga duniani. Tuvuke kule tupate picha za mubashara.
For yourself, the levels of degradation. And that is why the president has directed that we take over. And we actually have already taken over. So it's no longer an issue to when we shall take over. We did take over this asset on 10th of June. The president has instructed KFS to take charge, to be responsible as the lead agency, working, of course, with other agencies, NMS, NEMA, KEFRI, the National Museums of Kenya, who have done the much they could, working together with the friends of City Park. And I can assure you, and I can assure the public, because this place was insecure. It became extremely unhealthy, insecure for families. KFS has already deployed armed rangers, not to come and evict anyone, intimidate or threaten anybody, but to ensure that Kenyans, this place is safe and secure for all Kenyans, including the most vulnerable. That you can come with your family, with your children, school children, and enjoy this beauty without fear of insecurity. We are done with the Michuki Park, and soon His Excellency the President will be opening it officially. In the next couple of months, we hope that this place will be fenced, totally, completely rehabilitated, restored, and that Kenyans, all Kenyans, irrespective of your status, would have free access and use of this park. This park will never be privatized. It will never go into the hands of any person, investor. No. We very much welcome all the philanthropists, we welcome them to come and join hands with us, contribute resources, their technical knowledge, toward enhancing and protecting the original philosophy, but not to privatize. That's number one. And number two, it will remain the people's park. KFS is not coming to run it as the way they run forest. No. No. It's not going to be run the way forest. It's going to be a people's park. Available, accessible to all Kenyans, free of charge. It will be sad. It will be sad indeed. And the Mbare or Kihara would, those who donated this, will turn in their graves. If it were to happen that some Kenyans cannot access this park, not because they would not want to, but because they cannot raise 20 shillings or 50 shillings access fee. That cannot happen.